Hey everyone, this is basically a really quick front-end tutorial on how you can go about doing some stuff that we need in our day-to-day life. So for example, how you can switch organization into the Storylines in the Storylines application, so in the Storylines website, or how you can get the Storylines organization ID if you want to submit it for, let's say, a bug report or some email, or that you are trying to kind of have a conversation with the support team, or how you can get the user ID, how you can submit a bug report, or how you can go through the change logs, right? So first of all, let's start with how you can switch the organization, right? Because we have ways to have multiple organizations exist parallelly, and you can switch between those, and everything you do is organization specific apart from the API key that you build or that you generate. So first of all, if people don't really know how to quickly switch the organization, what they do is that they go into the account settings and they go in this organization section, click on manage organization, and then click on switch. So you can see I am currently in the guest org and I have a test org here, and I can switch between the two, and I can click on this switch button in order to switch the organization. But this is a really complicated way of doing it. I don't want to go all the way in the settings page in order to switch our organization, right? So the easier way to do it is, you can see this button here. You can actually click this button in order to expand this left bar. So this is something that people might not know, but yeah, in any page you go, you can actually click this button to expand this bar. And when you expand it, you will see this drop down using which you can actually select and change your organization. So it's pretty easy. You can just click on the other organization, and I'm hit with a guide because actually, I haven't opened this organization in a while. But I can just switch back to the guest org and everything is fine. So this is how you can actually quickly switch the organization. And also, if you want to get your organization ID, you can click here, or you can directly, so I'll show you the other way, or you can go to the manage organization and then go to the view detail. Anyway, anything that works. I think the first one was really quicker. And in front of you is the organization ID. You can actually click on this copy button, and the organization ID is copied, and you can do whatever you want using it. Now, while I'm at it, I'll show you how you can add multiple members. So if I go here, you can see I have multiple members that I have added here, and I can actually click on this and invite someone else using their email ID, and I can access, I can change the roles. So this is something that you wouldn't usually know if you don't know how to kind of access the organization detail. Anyway, so if, let's say, someone had sent you an organization invite, that will actually appear here in your account settings. You can see the invitations. It will actually appear here. I don't have any invitations, so I don't have anything here, but generally it will appear here in this case. Now, while we are in the user settings, let me show you how you can get the user ID. So in order to get the user ID, you do have to go into the profile tab, and when you are in the profile tab, you can see the user ID here, which you can copy, and you can actually share it with the support team if you want to. Now, lastly, I will show you how you can report a bug, because we are actually it will be grateful if you, because it will be really helpful if you can report a bug. We are actively trying to improve the Storylines website and the Storylines experience. So in order to report a bug, what you can do is that, let's say you found a bug in the advanced search section, right? And you want to report it. So what you can do is that you can be in the advanced search page. You can click on this system tools button that you have here. And of course, we have the system status page here. But I can actually go into the report issue tab, where I can actually describe the issue that I am facing and submit the bug report. All the necessary informations are included, so you don't have to worry about that. And I can actually go into the report history, and you can actually see your report history, that how many things that you have reported. If we have asked you for any other information, or if we have solved it, you can actually track it here. And lastly, you can actually go here and you can actually view the change logs. Make sure to navigate using these buttons so that you switch between the website changelog, the API, and the system or the AI changelog. And if you want to visit the changelog website, click on this big red button and you will go into the changelog website, where you can use this drop down to do the similar changes. And here you have access to all the changes that are here. So that is all for today. Happy creating, and stay tuned for more tutorials like this.